What is a blusher, wedding veil, and should you wear one? In this video, we're going to talk about some of the common questions regarding that. It is basically just the tulle layer that goes over the face. There are two styles of blushers. In this video, you see a cascade or drop style of blusher, which means that it's a continuous piece of fabric and lays flat. The second style of blusher is a detached blusher, as you see in this video. It's actually a separated piece of fabric. It has a little bit more fullness, a little bit more poofiness, a little bit more volume. The blusher to lay correctly, stylists recommend positioning the blusher up higher on the head towards the crown rather than lower at the back of the head. This prevents the blusher from kinking awkwardly at the front. Do you have to wear the blusher over your face? Absolutely not. Many brides wear it to the back just to have the additional layering and the additional volume. Adds dimension. Do you need to wear a blusher for your church wedding? Most churches don't require you to wear a blusher, but you should still consult them, ask them if it is a requirement. It is more common to see brides wearing a blusher if you are getting married in a traditional cathedral or church, as it adds modesty. This is a good question. How long should your blusher be? They are normally somewhere around elbow length, but the length of your blusher can vary based on your personal preference and where you plan to hold your bouquet. Some brides like to have a longer blusher that they hold over their bouquet, and that hits to about the fingertips. For blusher measuring instructions, for additional FAQs like how to place the blusher in your hair, make sure to click the link in the description below. Make sure to grab your free tulle and lace samples at www.oneblushingbride.net.